So in HR, we are tackling some of the biggest questions of our time: the impact of artificial intelligence, globalization, and making a success of diversity in the workplace. And that's why our field is attracting some of the most inspiring, smart and open-minded people, and it's a great field to be in today. So some recipes for being in HR in the 2020s. Well, it's about understanding our role in the mega trends that are sweeping through the world of work and being a positive influencer on the direction of those changes through our everyday decisions in our organizations. It's about maintaining that long-term vision, but breaking it into small, manageable steps, celebrating the wins along the way. But perhaps most of all, it's about getting connected and staying connected across borders. Borders of profession, borders of geography, borders of culture. Understanding at a deep level the other's point of view and using those insights in our everyday work.